Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the Tutorial Millennia YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your nose sharper on Picsart. So if you have maybe a small nose and you want to make it looks like more sharp or sharper, I'm going to show you how by using the Picsart app on your phone. Just open the app first and then click on the plus icon to edit your photo. I'm going to use this is just an example, it's not a photo of me, so I'm going to use this to make an example on how to make it sharper, to make the nose sharper. Just click on the retouch here at the bottom and then swipe until you find the face menu and then click on nose and click on this. Just you can adjust it as you like, so just like that. You can also make it bigger or smaller, just like this. You can see there's the difference from before and after, and you can also adjust just like this, just like so. Okay, I think that's enough, and then click on the check icon at the top. Okay, so just like that is how to make your nose sharper on Picsart. I hope this video will help you, and if you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel for more contents. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.